Hi students, in this video we are going to solve the question number 8 under exercise number 4.1 in this topic. So read the question. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length by 10 units and decrease it by breadth by 5 units, then the area will be increased by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Here what you have to do, here you have to make linear equation from this question, and similarly the values to be represented on the graph page. First we will make the equations, linear equation, how to will make. See here the rectangle. We know this is the rectangle, this is the length, this is the width, this is the length, this is the width. Breadth or width we can call two ways. See here, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. What is the formula of area? Rectangle. LB equal to rectangle the formula is rectangle formula, area formula is LB, L into B, length into breadth. See here what they are given the question. We will go step by step, we will go. First see, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. What is the area? Area of rectangle LB. It means, see here, rectangle gets reduced by, reduced means it's decreased, reduced or decreased, are they both are same. So decreased means reduced, it means we have to subtract, get reduced or decreased, we have to subtract. Suppose increased we have to add addition, plus. So here get reduced, it means how much reduced area? The area reduced LB 80 means LB minus 80. What is the meaning? Area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units. That means is the area of rectangle get reduced minus 80. This sentence is equaling this, representing this. So next go to, if its length is reduced by 5 units, it means length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 units. It means length is reduced. Length reduced means subtract. And how much? 5 units. So L minus 5. It means 5 L minus 5. Rectangle area L equal to, it's reduced by, reduce 80 units. So leave it. Rectangle area reduced by 80 units means LB minus 80. Length is reduced by 5 units means L minus 5, like that. breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth is increased. How many units? 2 units. How to you write here? It denotes length is decreased by 5 units. If breadth B is increased by 2 units. Now see, how can you write this equation in the form of equation? See, up to here one thing is over. Area is reduced by 80 units and length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Right. We will make this in the form of area. What is the rectangle area? Means length into breadth area. Area equal to length into breadth. See here, rectangle area, length into breadth. Length, see, after reducing, what is the length? L minus 5. L minus 5 into breadth. After increasing, what is the breadth? B plus 2 equal to how much? LB minus 8. Rectangle area reduced by 80 units. How many? After these are equal to LB minus 80. This is the area reduced by 80. You got it? There is nothing in the confusing. What they are given, just we are making like that formation of equations like that. Rectangle area reduced by 80 means what is the formula of rectangle area? LB minus 80. Length is reduced by 80, L minus 5. Breadth is increased by 2 units, B plus 2. What is the formula of rectangle? L into B. L into B, L what is the L? After reducing L, after increasing breadth. L into B equal to, we know, rectangle area reduced by 80. This is from here to here. This is the one equation. Next from here to here, this is the one equation. Like that, what we are doing here, we are making the equations. This is the one equation. Then is not equation not completed. We'll solve the question. L minus 5 into B plus 2 equal to LB minus 80. It means what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to L multiply with both and minus 5 multiply with both and simplify this equation. We will simplify the equation now. L into B, LB. L into plus 2, 2L. See here, minus 5 into B. Minus into plus, minus 5, 5B. Minus into plus, minus 5 to the 10. Minus 10. Equal to LB minus 80. Now what we have to do? We have to make the equation in the form of AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. We have to make this equation like this. So bring this LB minus 80 this side and make 0. Because why you are making this? We are making we have to in the linear equation type. So LB plus 2L minus 5B minus 10 plus LB when it comes to this side minus LB and minus 80 when it comes to plus 80 equal to 0. Because we are forming in this linear equation type. So now see here, plus LB minus LB will be cancelled. Here see, minus 10 2L minus 5B. See here minus 10, here plus 8. 80 minus 10, 70 plus 70 equal to 0. This is one equation. This one complete equation. Next, go to the second one. if you increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, then the area will be increased by 50 square units. Now one by one we will make the equation. Increase the length by 10 units. Increase the length by 10 units. Now how can you write this? Increase the length means length. What is the increase means? Plus symbol 10 units. After increasing length, L plus 10. Next, decrease the length breadth by 5 units. Decrease the breadth by how many units? 5 units. You have to write the steps. You have to write these steps one by one. Then only you can get full marks. Decrease the breadth by 5 units. What is the breadth? Breadth. What is saying? Decrease. Decrease means minus. How many? 5. Next, this over. The area will be increased by 50 units. What is the area of rectangle? LB. LB, we know LB. Area of rectangle LB. See. Area will be increased by 50 units. See here, what is the area of rectangle? LB, length into breadth. How much? Increased, plus 50 units. Now see, make it in the form of area. So after increasing the length, L plus P, L plus 10, and length into breadth. After increasing L plus 2, we are multiplying it, length into breadth. After decreasing, again we are making formula of rectangle, length breadth. What is L plus 10 into L, the total L into B minus 5 equal to LB plus 10. This one we have to make in the form of AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Now see, come to L plus 10 equal to B minus 5 equal to LB plus, here 50, not 10. Now we have to make in this form, equation form, just to bring this LB minus, just multiply these values. L into, we have to multiply L into these two values, and again we have to multiply the 10 into two values. L into B, LB, L into 5 minus 5L, plus 10 into B, 10B, plus into minus, 10 5 is 50, equal LB plus 50. Now we are making this in this form of linear equation. Bring the value, total value this side and make 0. LB minus 5L plus 10B minus 50 minus plus LB will be minus LB plus 50 minus will be minus 50 equal to 0. Now see, plus LB minus LB will be cancelled. Minus L minus 5L plus 5 10B minus 50 minus 50 minus 100 equal to 0. Or we can write multiply with, starting if you want in plus, multiply with minus value, minus if you multiply with total equation with L, minus into minus plus 5L, the symbols will change automatically. Minus will be plus, plus will be minus. 5L minus 10B plus 100 equal to 0. Just we multiplied total equation with minus, because starting in minus, that's why we multiplied here with minus. Minus into minus plus 5L, minus into plus minus 10B, minus to minus plus 200. This is the second equation. Here we made the two equations. Now for plotting the values, we have to get values, because we have to plot the values on the graph page. So next we will go to the graph. We will go to the solve the equations 1, 2. Now we made two equations. From two equations we will create the set of the points. Take first equation, 2L minus 5B plus 70 equal to 0. Now minus by bring that side as, or move that side of the equal. 2L plus 70 equal to 5B. We can also write 5B equal to 2L plus 70. B equal to, it is multiplying when it comes this side, it will be divided by 5. This is the we made. L, now make B equal to 2L plus 70 by 5 and LB. For making set up the values, for representing the value, for representing on graph page, we want to make like this. We know already this type of. Now here see here the value is in equation 1, 12 minus 5b plus 70 equal to 0. We know early in previous classes what we learned. We assume this values from starting 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So this here one thing also we have to think. What is that? Here see the value is 70, the higher value. If the values are higher, we can take highest values like 10, 20, 30, 40. Do not take 0, 1, 2, because the points will be more, 15 to 20, 30 points. This calculation will be seems very long. So for when after forming the equation, check in that equation how much the value, highest value. What is the highest value? Is 2 or 1, 2 or 5 or 6 or above 70, 70 or 800. If more than values like 70 and 100, we have to take with gap of highest values like 10, 20, 30. We have to take these values. If the value is small values, here if for example if the value is 5 or 10, we can take from 0 to we can take and 0, 1, 2, 3, because after you have to remember this value. You have to here in these two equations see there are big values 70, 100. That's why we have to take higher values. It means we have to take 10, next gap with some number 10, 20 like that. We'll take 10. B equal to, why you are taking 10 means it's in denominator place there is 5. If you take 2, 3, 4 like that in the place values, it will not go, because in denominator this is the value is 5. If it means you have to take 5 or 10, 0 value, last value it will be 0 or 5. Then only it will be cancelled with 5 table. Take 10, 2 into L means L, substitute the 10 value here, 10 plus 70 by 5, 2 2 ja 20 plus 70 by 5, 20 70 90, 90 by 5, 5 1 ja 1, 5 18 ja 10 18. The points are 10 18. 2 2 ja 10, 20 plus 70 90, 5 8 ja. So next take 20, b equal to 2 into 20 plus 70 by 5, 2 2 is 40, 40 plus 70 by 5, 70 40 110 by 5 2 is 10, remainder 1 1 0, 5 20, 5 2 is 10, 20 22. Like that of 10 20, take 30 equal to 2 into 30 plus 70 by 5, 2 30, 2 into 30 multiply 60, 60 plus 70 5, 130, 130 by 5, 5 2 ja 1, 5 6 ja 5 20, 5 1 ja 26, 30 26. Next 40, b equal to, here why you are taking much gap, we already told, if in the equation there is highest value, we have to take the with gap of highest values. 10 40, we have to see also what is the in the denominator place, that also to remember. 2 into 40 plus 70 by 5 to 48, 80 plus 70 by 5, 15, 150, 5 1 ja 1, 5 3 ja 0, 30, 40 30. Like that we can take one or two more values, 50, substitute the 50 value, take 60, like that. 4 to 5 we take, that's enough. Next come to second equation. What is the second equation? 5L minus 10B, 5L minus 10B plus 100 equal to 0. Move the 10 minus 10b that side and keep remaining 10b. We can also write 10b equal to 5L plus 100. Now bring the b this side. Here it is multiplying, when it comes to this side it will be divided. b equal to 5L by 5L plus 100 by 10. Now make chart. L, b equal to 5L plus 100 by 10 LB. See here what we discussed earlier, what we have to take here, we have to take you take this 0 1 2 3, no, because in the equation there are big values, 100 in the 100, so we have to take highest values. So you can start from 10 to 10, we'll take 10, like that previous what we have taken. B equal to 5 into L 10, substitute the 10 value, 100 by 10 equal to 5 10 ja 50, 50 plus 100, 10, 150, 150 by 10, 10 1 ja 10, 10 5 ja 15, 10 15, like that. 20, substitute the 20 value in this B equation. 5 into L 20 plus 100 by 10, 5 2 is 100, 100 plus 100 by 10, 200, 200 by 10 it will be 20, 20 20. Now take 30, b equal to 5 into 30 plus 100 by 10. 5 3 is 530, 150 plus 100 by 10. 150 plus 100, 250. 250 by 100, 0 0 cancel, 20. 5 3 is 150. 150 by 10. Sorry, this is 0 10, not 100. 0 0 cancel, 30 25. Take 40. b equal to 5 into 40 plus 100 by 10. 5 4 is 200 plus 100 by 10. 300 by 10. 0 0 cancel, 30. Like that also we can see here 40 30, 40 30. You can also take two more points, 50 60 you can take. This as enough, 4 5 enough. After taking, now these in this equation, first equation, these are the set of the values, and in the second equation these are the set of the values. Now we have to plot the values on the graph page. Open the graph page. This is y axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. You will see the graph page like this. See here, after opening the graph page, you will see like this. Make with pencil thick line. This is y axis, vertical line. Horizontally this is x axis. Draw the two lines. After drawing two lines, in center make 0. When from center to it will go to right side, it will be positive values. How to take? Do not take between the two lines, between the two thick lines. Do not take. Earlier we have taken what we have taken 1 2 3 1 between two lines 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal 1 means it means this difference between the 1 centimeter two thick lines equal to 1 unit. You have to take this 1 centimeter equal to 5, because the values are higher values, highest values 10 18 20 30 45. That's why we have to take between two lines. It will be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So take 0 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 up to 40. Take for maximum value 40. So you can take like this also. This upside value also positive values 20. When it comes to left side, it will be minus values, minus 5 minus 10 minus 15 minus 20 minus 25 minus 30, and its downside it will be also minus values. You know how to mark the positive values and negative values. And x-axis on x, this is horizontal line, this is x-axis. This vertical line, this will be y-axis. You draw with pencil thick line this side and vertically and horizontally, and mark this numbers 0 5 10 15 20, because the values are higher values. We have to take each between two thick lines, we have to take 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Now come to plot the points. Take first value 10 18 on L axis, and L means this is x y, and x axis the values are L, and y axis this is the b values. So LB 10 18, x axis 8 10, b axis 18, 10, 18. This is 10, this is 18. Here this is the on y-axis 20. If you go down some, it will be there will be also between 15 and 20 there are 10 lines, small lines. You can calculate, then you can exactly put 18, 10, 18. Here it will come like that, 10, 18. Next 20, 22. Here 20. After 20 you can go here 20, 22. So don't go to downside, because you have to remember in downside these are negative numbers, in left side also there are numbers, but those are negative numbers. Don't put plus 20 instead of minus 20. So be careful while plotting the points. 20, 22, 30, 26. This is the 30 on x-axis, and first L means this is x-axis, y means B means this y on y-axis. 20, 22 over 30, 26. 30, 26. After 25 it will be 26, some 1 point. 30, 26. So final point is 40, 30. Here 40, 30 on this one. This is the 40, 20, 40, 30. After plotting the points, just connect these two points with a scale using pencil. Now extend the line, no problem. You have to extend the line. Okay, now this is over. Now come to the second linear equation of these points. We have to plot on the graph page. First point 10, 10, 15. This is 10, this is 15. Here 10, 15. Next second point 20, 20. Here 20, here 20. See here 20, here 20, here 20, here also 20. This is 20. Next 30, 25. This is 30, here 25. Thirty, 25, 40, 30. 40, 30 is the same represented here 40, 30. This is the 40, 20. This already the point is plotted. So 3 points we connect them. 3 points and 4. Next put the scale. If you put scale and draw the line, don't draw line with your hand freely. It will go some curve like that. You put compulsory, you put scale. See where is the intersect point. This is the 40, 30 is the intersect point. We can also know after making 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 points in this equation, what two points are matching exactly, those are the solution. This is 40, 30, this is the 40, 30. So here intersecting point is, this is the 40, 30. So LB 40, 30. That means length is 40, breadth is 30. Length 40. What is the 40 units? Breadth 30. Like that we can calculate. But it seems for understanding you, if you can also reduce the points, but for understanding you clearly I am telling all the points, so do not confuse. It will take also some time to understand. If you after making more questions, you can simply within 3 to 4 minutes you can simply solve the question. Thank you for watching.